Good morning, class. Today we'll take the another topic of the chapter climate, and here we'll discuss the hot weather season, that is summer. Summer, by the summer, we understand only the scorching heat that is experienced by the people who are living distance, a great distance from the sea, an extreme kind of temperature they experience in this area, that is the northern plain of India. So global heat belt shift northern wards March to May. So remember here I told you that the particular ITCZ zone, that is which is on equator, and it shifts in northern plain of India. Okay. So Deccan Plateau experience temperature 38 degree, and March even you can understand, and April it is 45 degree, and Gujarat and MP that May 45 degree, north in western part of. Loo striking feature is the main here. Loo is a kind of hot wind, and they blow hot and gusty, strong dry winds and blowing during the day, north and northwestern part of India, continue with the late evening. These kind of wind are very fatal for human being. Very fatal for human being, and continue. Low temperature is there, lower temperature, and bring light rainfall, that is the cool breeze, and localize the thunderstorm with the violent wind, torrential downpour. And sometimes these wind bring with them a good kind of hailstorm, and this is particular call in western Bengal, that is Kal Baisakhi. End of the summer is with the pre-monsoon shower that are common in Kerala, Karnataka, and these winds are very much blissful for the ripening of mangoes. That's why they are called mango shower. So here by the map we'll try to understand what kind of air pressure take place in the different part of our country. So I show you the map here. Now in hot weather season you see the temperature, that in Rajasthan 48, 38, then March in 30, and when we see the temperature in July, how it reaches high, like in northern plain it is, or in Himalayas it is 20 degrees Celsius, in Punjab it is 25, in Rajasthan you see 30, that in the period of means this particular area, that is Madhya Pradesh, Aravalli Hills. Or when we talk about this you can understand how the temperature is reaching high. The pressure, when we talk about wind pressure, it is, you can see that how it reaches like 675, means like the pressure of the region, in the region that because it is more in the land mass region, means when the pressure of wind is there, like means from you can understand this, like from here the pressure high and entering into the Indian part. So here pressure is lesser. So in July month how the wind they are blowing, when storms in the hot weather season, how they take place. So we'll see here in Chera or in Kalkel, Kalbisaki they are known, and Bordoli Chera, then is Mango Shar. So these are the stormy region, and blossom of Shar that first take place. Then when we talk about the storm low, again the storm in the northern part of India, that is whole this belt you can see here from Rajasthan to the Bihar region. We can skip this particularly because here where the black checks are given, they are of the rainy season, and this is the light blue you can see here, this is of mango shower, means light rain take place here. When we talk about the southwest monsoon, so we can see here this southwest monsoon. Monsoon will discuss later. still here because we are discussing the hot weather season. So I hope you understood how the winds strike towards Indian landmass. Now, after this, we'll proceed to the advancing monsoon, that is the rainy season of India. It brings a total change in the weather condition because everyone can experience that after the scorching heat, when rainfall comes, how and beautiful relief is given by these rain to the people. Early in the monsoon of advancing monsoon and the withdrawal side of monsoon, that is Western Ghat, receive heavy rainfall more than 250 centimeter. Maximum rainfall of this season occur in northeastern India. So here you can understand how it is when we talk about, that is Western Ghat, this region particularly, and Assam. So we know that these are the evergreen forest, and here the rainfall take more than 200 centimeter. So it has the wet and dry spells, and the intervening dry periods is called break. Means this is the season when, because entering, especially from June to July, sometime is wet and dry season. Means somewhere the rainfall take place high, somewhere it is dry. So it calls the break. Break, you understand, means sometime it is, sometimes not. So monsoon is known as of its uncertainties and spatial distribution. Spatial means area wise. Distribution of rainfall is uneven. Now here the monsoon, NCRT monsoon map you can see. So you see in this map, like rainfall are advanced monsoon is entering in India from 1st of June, and how it is proceeding. And so when we talk about the break and the dry spells, I told you about, because it is not the particular season when means in the month of July and June that burst monsoon doesn't take place. And when we talk about the breaks and the dry spells, so we can understand here this is Western Ghat. So when the winds are blowing this region, they are trying to this region particularly, the rainfall take place here only. Then when from the eastern or Bay of Bengal, when they enter in this part, so sometimes the Himalaya, you can say the mountains are here. So what happens, these particular strike to those region only, and this area is of like break we can say, or dry spell we can say. So this is that particular, you understand, because wherever the monsoon moisture laden wind strike, that area gets the rainfall, and the other area is remain with dry spell. Suppose this is mountain, and from here the winds are striking, so this area is getting rainfall, and this area is dry. So this area is called leeward, and this area is called windward. Means where the rainfall is taking place, it is the windward, and it is the leeward sometimes. And another name of this rainfall is called orographic rainfall. So these two main things you understood by this. Then like here you see that the monsoon, it extends from June to September. Intense heating in the northwest India create low pressure region. Low pressure attract the wind from the surrounding sea region. Here you can see. And after having rain for a few days, sometime monsoon fall fails to occur for one of the or more weeks. Is known as the break monsoon. So here easy to understand, monsoon winds, we know that from both of the side, that is Arabian branch and Bay of Bengal, they strike to Indian landmass, and they become the cause of rainfall here. So this was all about the advanced monsoon. Hope you understood. In the next video, we'll take the retreating monsoon and concluding part of our country.